Scrap wood projects have increasingly gained traction in modern home decor, offering a multitude of benefits that appeal to both aesthetics and sustainability. As homeowners seek unique ways to personalize their spaces while being mindful of environmental impact, the creative use of scrap wood has emerged as an innovative solution. By exploring the various advantages of scrap wood projects, one can appreciate how these endeavors can enhance home decor while contributing positively to both personal satisfaction and the broader environment. One of the primary benefits of scrap wood projects is the emphasis on sustainability. In an era where environmental concerns are at the forefront, utilizing scrap wood reduces waste and promotes the idea of recycling and upcycling. Rather than discarding leftover pieces from larger projects, woodworkers can creatively repurpose these materials into functional and artistic items. This approach not only minimizes waste, but also encourages a more sustainable lifestyle. By choosing to engage in scrap wood projects, individuals contribute to a culture of environmental responsibility, making more mindful choices in their home decor. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of scrap wood project ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The cost-effectiveness of scrap wood projects is another significant advantage. Scrap wood is often readily available and usually comes at little to no cost. Homeowners can utilize remnants from previous projects, purchase discounted pieces from local suppliers, or even source wood from demolition sites. This affordability makes it possible for individuals to create beautiful decor items without straining their budgets. By leveraging scrap wood, homeowners can achieve high-quality, custom decor at a fraction of the price of purchasing new materials. This cost-saving aspect allows for greater creativity and experimentation, as individuals can take risks without the fear of financial loss. Moreover, scrap wood projects offer a unique opportunity for personalization. Each piece of scrap wood has its own character, with distinct grains, colors, and textures. This individuality allows woodworkers to create one-of-a-kind items that reflect their personal style and preferences. Unlike mass-produced decor, which can often feel impersonal and generic, scrap wood projects carry a sense of authenticity and craftsmanship. Homeowners can design pieces that resonate with their tastes, creating environments that feel truly unique and tailored to their personalities. This personal touch can enhance the emotional connection to one's living space, fostering a sense of ownership and pride. The creative process involved in scrap wood projects can also be immensely fulfilling. Engaging in hands-on activities allows individuals to express their artistic sides and explore their creativity. The act of transforming unassuming scrap wood into functional or decorative items can be a rewarding experience, providing a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. This creative outlet can serve as a form of stress relief, allowing individuals to focus on the task at hand and escape from the pressures of daily life. As homeowners invest time and effort into their projects, they often find joy in the process, which can enhance their overall well-being. Additionally, scrap wood projects can foster a sense of community and collaboration. Many woodworkers enjoy sharing their creations and techniques with others, whether through social media platforms, local workshops, or community events. This sharing of ideas and expertise can lead to a supportive network of individuals who inspire each other to take on new challenges and explore innovative designs. By participating in a community of like-minded individuals, homeowners can gain valuable insights, tips, and encouragement, which can further enhance their skills and confidence in crafting. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, Scrapwood projects can also serve practical purposes in home decor. Many homeowners are looking for functional items that enhance their living spaces while also providing organization and utility. Scrapwood can be fashioned into useful items such as storage solutions, coat racks, or organizers. By combining functionality with creativity, individuals can create items that serve everyday needs while adding visual interest to their homes. This dual functionality makes scrapwood projects particularly appealing for those seeking to maximize their living spaces without compromising on style. Furthermore, the act of crafting with scrapwood can foster a sense of mindfulness and presence. Engaging in a hands-on project requires focus and attention, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the moment. This mindfulness can promote relaxation and reduce stress, making scrapwood projects a therapeutic activity. As homeowners channel their energy into creating something tangible, they often find a sense of peace and fulfillment that can positively impact their overall mental health. The process of working with one's hands provides a break from the fast-paced digital world, allowing for a reconnection with the physical. The growing trend of DIY and handmade decor has also contributed to the popularity of scrapwood projects. Many individuals are seeking unique, handcrafted items to personalize their spaces and distinguish themselves from mass-produced alternatives. This shift in consumer preferences creates a market for scrapwood projects, allowing woodworkers to turn their creations into potential income sources. By selling their handmade items at local markets or online platforms, woodworkers can share their passion while also generating profit. This entrepreneurial aspect can turn a hobby into a viable business venture, further enhancing the allure of scrapwood projects. Additionally, scrapwood projects can contribute positively to the overall aesthetic of a home. The natural beauty of wood can enhance interior design by adding warmth, texture, and character to spaces. Well-crafted scrapwood items can serve as focal points, drawing attention and creating visual interest. Whether displayed on walls, shelves, or tabletops, these pieces can elevate the overall decor and create a sense of harmony within the home. By incorporating scrapwood projects into their living spaces, homeowners can cultivate an inviting and personalized environment that reflects their tastes and values. The accessibility of scrapwood is also a notable advantage. Many individuals can find scrapwood from various sources, such as construction sites, local lumber yards, or even their own homes. This accessibility makes it easy for anyone to embark on scrapwood projects, regardless of their woodworking experience. Whether a novice or a seasoned craftsman, individuals can engage in these projects without the need for expensive materials or tools. This democratization of woodworking allows a broader audience to participate in creative endeavors, fostering a sense of community among woodworkers of all skill levels. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrapwood project ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.